guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul. What's new? I like shopping. So if you like hauls, make sure to subscribe and stay around because I post a lot of them. And I have a makeup haul coming up soon, and I think I'm gonna do like a spring break video and all sorts of fun stuff. So make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and let's get started. I'm gonna start off with Forever 21 because that's the place I went to most recently, and they had a ton of super cute stuff. Okay, so first is this hat. They have a lot of like straw hats and everything like that, and this was $12.90. And I really like this because it's like, okay, got a little crumpled in the bag, but I think it's super cute because it's not like a huge like floppy hat. It's something that like you can wear to the beach if you wanted to, but you could also like not. You could wear it like out or whatever. So I think that is super cute. And then I got this, which I'm not positive if I'm keeping or not, so let me know. But it was $19.90, and it's just kind of like this white sweatshirt, and I thought that it was super cute and like different and like not just like a sweatshirt, you know. It has a bunch of different pattern and embroidering and just like some really unique designs on it. And then I got this top, which was $14.90, and I actually got this because Sarah Belle talked about it on her channel, and it looked super cute, and she said that it was a dupe for an Urban Outfitters shirt she was actually wearing, which, okay, when I was in Forever 21 and I got something that I'm going to show you, but they had an insane amount of Urban Outfitter like dupes, so I'm going to try to like put them in the video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But so if I can find this, I will link this, but it is just like this really nice like thin shirt that ties at the bottom, and I just think it'll be perfect for spring and summer. Okay, so then this jumpsuit was $17.90, and this is one that I had been wanting from Urban Outfitters for a really long time, and I'm so glad that I found it there. And it just looks like this on the top, and then it's just like flowy, wait, where'd the legs go? Okay, it's just like flowy legs, and so it's like a fitted top and then just flowy legs, and they're kind of cropped, which I'm not the biggest fan, but I'm getting used to it. So yeah, I really love that. And this shirt that I'm wearing right now, which it's more cropped than I thought it was, so it kind of like goes right at your belly, but it's got this super cute like detailing, and I thought it would just be perfect to just like throw on with like a pair of jeans or something like that, just for a really quick cute outfit, and it's $10.90. And then I also got two pairs of shoes. So I got these sandals, which I was so excited about when I saw. So they were $12.90, and these look exactly like the pair of Steve Madden shoes that I've been looking at, or I don't know if they're Steve Madden. They're called like Steven, I think. I don't know. I'll post them on here. But they're $80, and these were $12.90, and granted, they're not going to be the same quality or anything like that. But I thought these were super, super cute, and for the price, I was like, okay. And then also, they had these, which were $15.90, and they look like this, and they are kind of like Valentino inspired with the studs and stuff. And they also had them in a light pink, which I was going to get the light pink, but I realized that like I wear a lot more tan shoes in the spring and summertime, so I was just gonna stick with this. So I was super excited with all the stuff from Forever 21. Definitely go check it out. I feel like they had amazing stuff going on, and I was also at H&M, and I didn't find anything there. So yes. Okay, so I have a couple random things real quick that I just wanted to show you guys. I have this Delta Gamma shirt that I bought off a like Facebook. It's not like a swap and sell, but it's kind of like a Facebook group for like nationwide. I imagine they have them for other sororities, but if you're a Delta Gamma, I can definitely like link you in. Just let me know down below. And they do big shirt orders, so like if you see a design that you like, you literally just like type in your email and then you can buy it. So this is what it looks like, and it is totally Gucci inspired, and I love it. And it was only like $17, so I just want to show you that. Speaking of Gucci inspired, I got this belt from ASOS online, and it just looks like this. So it is very Gucci inspired with the double circles. I really like it. I think it's super cute. I would obviously prefer to have the Gucci belt, but I don't really have $500 to drop on a belt right now, so hopefully someday. But definitely a more inexpensive look, and this was about $17, I think. We went to Dry Goods, which I had never seen before until going to school in Indianapolis, because they don't have them near me, but they are bringing 2 new ones to the malls in St. Louis, and I'm so excited. So this is from Dry Goods, and it is just this like plain, big, slouchy, light pink tunic kind of thing, and it's by the brand Tresics, made in Cambodia, which is pretty cool. You'll see here very shortly that I realized that I wear leggings almost every single day when I'm at school. And so I needed more things that were like long enough to cover, that I was comfortable wearing, because I wear leggings. And I try to wear jeans, and I actually got some jeans that I'm really excited to show you guys, but they're just not as comfortable. And when I'm picking out my outfits in the morning, I'm like, okay, do I want to wear jeans or leggings? I always want to wear leggings. So I wanted to get some stuff that was a little bit cuter that I could still wear with leggings. Okay, so then also during Mom's weekend with my sorority, I went shopping with my mom, and we went to Urban Outfitters, and they were having 40% off of their sale stuff, which was amazing. So I went and got this bodysuit, which is super cute. I've already worn it out before, and it's just great to tuck in with some jeans. And it was originally $39, and I ended up getting it for $16 with the sale. And then I also got this jumpsuit, which I actually had been eyeing during winter break, because I was gonna get it for New Year's Eve, and thankfully I didn't, because I didn't do anything for New Year's Eve. But it was originally $79, on sale for $39, and then I got it for $16. Oh, and I think the other one I ended up getting for $14. And it is just this plain red straight neck jumpsuit, and it is like floor length, and I just think it is so cute, and it's just such a fun color. And I was like, I don't really know when I'm gonna wear this, but I'll make an occasion to wear it. And then lastly, I got this super comfy sweater that was originally $35, yeah. And then I ended up getting it for $8, I believe. 10, yeah. And it's just a really fuzzy, like mock neck with a little bit of balloon sleeves, which I'm not a huge fan of, but these aren't too bad. And oh my gosh, so I'm not a huge fan of the balloon sleeves, but it's not too bad. And this is just super cute with some jeans tucked in, and I wore it like with this belt kind of popping out, and it was really, really cute. I don't know how many times I can say cute in this video, but whatever. So then from a local boutique near campus that was going out of business, they were having like 75% off. So each thing that I got was $20. I got 2 pairs of jeans and a sweater. The sweater is from BB Dakota, and it was originally $80, and I got it for $20. And it just looks like this, and I don't know, I thought it was really cute, and it has like some little fringe detail at the bottom. Perfect for leggings. Super warm, because right now, like, it's obviously getting warmer, but it was literally snowing 2 days ago, and now it's like super sunny and nice outside, so you never know. You just gotta prepare for all the weather. And then I got these jeans, which I'm actually so obsessed with. I'm so glad that I got them. And they are Article of Society, and they were originally $75, and I got them for $20. And they look like this, and then they've just got some like natural raw ends at the bottom, and I cuff them, and they are just so comfortable. Are like a really nice stretchy material. With these, I am finding my way back towards jeans a little bit more, because I really like these. They're super comfortable. And yeah, and then I also got these from Free People, which were originally $58, and I got them for $20. And they are just a straight up jegging, and they have the elastic waist, which I haven't worn these yet, but I'm actually really excited, because like that's what I love about leggings, is the waist is like just very forgiving, and so like these have an elastic waist. So kind of like pregnancy jeans, but whatever. So, and they have a raw hem as well. Okay, and then, so for my birthday, I just wanted to show you guys these. I got the Spanx leather leggings, and this is what, oh, they're so wrinkly right now. I'll just show you the tops then. This is what they look like, and okay, they like look really tiny, like, but trust me, they stretch a lot. I love them so much. You don't look at them and you're like, oh, those are leather leggings, but it's just something that's like a little bit different and can really like dress up just like a plain t-shirt or, you know, whatever. They're so comfortable and soft, and the inside's a really nice material. I love these. Definitely, they are a little bit expensive, so definitely check them out when they go on sale. I love them. And then, so I got sucked into the Fabletics thing, I don't know. So what I did was you get 2 pairs of leggings for $24 when you sign up for the membership, and you don't get charged for the membership the first month, and then you can skip it going on or not skip, and you pay $50 and then you get discounts and stuff. But I honestly I'm gonna cancel it. So budget saving tip here, definitely just do the 2 for $24 on the leggings because their leggings are great, and then cancel your membership. So then you just get 2 leggings for $24, and both of these leggings retail. One is $69.95 and the other is $79.95, so it's a good deal. So I got these ones, and they're like ruched at the top, and then they're kind of like ruched at the bottom too, and I thought it was like kind of, I don't know, made me think of like a little kid, kind of. Like, you know those socks that like you wore to church and they were kind of like all ruched? I don't know. But this is kind of what it made me think of, but I don't know. They're actually super cute on. And then I just got a pair of plain black leggings because it's just what I live in. And these are the Powerform leggings, and they're moisture wicking and pill resistant, which I love because I hate cotton leggings that get like all those pills on them. So I really like these. So that is finally everything that I've gotten recently. Actually, there's some more stuff, but I just didn't want to make this haul super long. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.